Trading. For a lot of people, it's still a book of secrets. But what is trading in reality? What is trading in real? Why do you have people so much respect about trading? Maybe you want to make trading to have more money in your later when you are in your retirement. Or maybe you need more money now beside of your job. So you see, it's important to know everything about real trading. And this is what we want to do in this video series here on YouTube. I want to show you everything what is important to know what is trading in real. Let's see with what kind of topic we want to start. The very first topic we want to talk about is that there is a big difference what you can do with trading or at the exchanges around the world, Frankfurt, New York, Bangkok, Singapore, London, wherever this exchange is, we have to divide and we have to make a difference between an investor and a trader. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a big difference. It makes a big difference if you are an investor or if you are a trader, because an investor and a trader have different issues and have different tasks to do. And in this part, this very first part of this very new trading video series, I want to talk about what is an investor. So let's talk about, first of all, and the topic is what is an investor doing? It's a big difference. First of all, an investor is focusing on a special product. It's like the same you're interested on a good health. So maybe your product is your health. So that means, okay, you care about what kind of sport you can do. Maybe you're not a runner, maybe you want to take a bicycle, or you're going to want to go to a fitness studio, or whatever you do, you are interested what is good for your health. So the next part, if you're interested in this product, for example, as we said, this health, then maybe it's your food. How do you want to change your food? What kind of food you want to eat if you're interested in a better health? Or maybe you have some add-ons, some add-ons like whatever you can buy online as to add on to your food. Of course, you're focusing on a product. In a second place, but never in the first place, you are interested at the price, because first of all, you have all this information which is necessary to have an overview about your product. So, and now we can change this, because this is exactly the same if you are interested to investing in the product, for example, a kind of stock or maybe a share, because you want to make an investment. So the first part, as an investor, you have a long-term distance, you have a long-term part, maybe about kind of years, because you want to make an investment about years. So you're thinking in the long-term part, not in minutes or hours or days, months or years. This is a big difference to a real trader, because an investor is talking about investing about years. That's a big difference. So now you're interested on a stock. So first of all, you care about fundamental fundamental data, yeah, which you care about the company. Yeah, you are interested about the company first. Yeah, what is this company doing? Do you believe that this company is also survive the next years? Or maybe it's a takeover part. Maybe another company want to take over this. Then maybe it's not a good idea to invest in this stock or in this share, for example. So next part, you are interested about the finance. Yeah? Is this a good company? Do they have good financial parts? Do they have a good advisor? Something like this. Is it worth, and this is your first question, is it worth to invest in this stock or in this share that you can have a big benefit over the years? That the stock or the price is growing up over the years because you want to have you want to make money over the years with this kind of investment. For an investor, the price where he want to buy this stock is in the first place not really interesting. Not really. Okay, no investor want to buy as high as possible. It's like you want to invest in your health, of course, and you're looking for a good fitness studio. So, okay, you compare, and of course, I guess you don't want to have the highest price, but you don't want to have the cheapest price. Maybe you take a fitness studio with a medium price, yeah? And here is the same. First of all, you care about the fundamental data, all the other stuff. And at the end, you have a look at the price. And if the price is not that expensive, then you buy. But for an investor, the price is never at the first place you care about, because you want to make an investment and you are convinced that the price is growing up over the years. And this is what an investor is doing. At the end, an investor is most of the times a buyer at the market, always a buyer. Okay, sometimes you want to sell. If you have really big profits over the years, then maybe there will come a time where you want to sell something. But in the first place, an investor is always a buyer. And most of the times, investors have bunch of money. Most of the times you invest a lot of money. You don't open an account with $100 to make an investment, because if you want to save the money for your kiddies, for the university, for a better education, for whatever there is, or you want to save money for your retirement, then you investment more money. So in the first place, you are a buyer. And anywhere you are, anytime you will be a seller. But in the first place, an investor is a buyer. And at the end, he must come to the exchange, and then he's there as a buyer. And then he buys the product you are interested in. So that's for the first part, a short video. And this is the first part of a video series. I don't know how many parts I want to make. If I have time and if I'm in the mood, I will make one. So it's a good idea to subscribe this channel, and maybe you push the ring, the clock, and then you will be informed if I make a new video. Yeah, this is the first part about investment and trading, and it is the first part of what is an investor at the stock exchange or at the exchange, basically. Yeah, thanks for listening. It's me, Marcus Gabler from DowHow Trading. If you want to know more, then you will find all information below this video. I hope you will doing good, and we will see each other at the next video. Thanks for listening.